Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and today we are going to be making some coconut cookies for the kids. So first thing I do, in this bowl I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking powder. And quarter teaspoon of salt. I grab a fork and I combine everything together like so. So for the wet ingredients, I'm going to throw half cup of brown sugar. Also, I'm going to throw half cup of melted butter. And I'm going to cream them together. That's good enough. So my sugar and butter is creaming, and I'm going to also add 1 egg. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to add some almond extract, but it's optional. So I mix until it's fluffy. And now that it's fluffy, it's time for me to put the dry ingredients in it. So now that my batter is fluffy, I'm gonna add 1 cup of grated coconut trash and mix. I'm gonna add my flour. I'm also gonna add just a touch of cinnamon. Just a little, like so, of cinnamon. And mix. So at this stage, it's supposed to look like this. So now I'm gonna wrap it in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to rest for 1 hour. So it's an hour now, and I'm gonna take my cookie dough from the fridge and roll it out. But before I do that, I'm gonna put some parchment paper and a baking tin. Throw some oil in it, then parchment paper. So as usual, I put some flour on my table. And then I roll this out to about 1/4 inch thick. So after I roll out, then I cut my cookie. So now you can see here what I've done here. I'm cutting them out like so. Like so. So now that my cookies are cut, I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake on 350 for 10 minutes. So now it's 12 minutes. I'm gonna take my cookie out. Wow. Oh, looking good, see? Looking good. Yeah. That's the way you want it. So now I'm gonna let my cookie cool off for about 5 minutes. Wow. Here's my coconut cookie. It's perfectly for the kids. And I hope you have learned something from this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always, see you in the next one.